friends, welcome to Programming Guru again. This is Amit and today I am going to teach you about how to find average by taking the user input. First of all, we have to start our compiler. As you know, my favorite is the Eclipse Mars, and as to save the time of yours as well as mine, I have already opened the Eclipse compiler over here, as you can see on my taskbar. Okay, so let's just get started with it. So first of all, we just have to create a project. For that, click on File tab, New option. Okay, you can also press Alt Shift and N. I think you know it. Next, Java project. After that, give a name. I will be giving average, AVERAGE. Then next, and then save it. Next, and here no need to do anything. Just click on finish. Here you just have to pick up the hierarchy view and on the source. Okay, just right click and add a new Java class. Okay, as you know, class is the main thing. You have to make a class, otherwise you will not get even a chance to write up your codes, because the class will have the blueprint of your program. Okay, and how your program will work, okay, it will depend upon you have to put it inside your Java class. So the name that I'm going to give is the AVG, means which means average. So I'm clicking here and selecting the public static void main. Okay, because I really don't want to type again. So let's click on finish. Okay, so as you can see, my screen is full of codes, and these are some of the default codes, okay, which it used to appear by default. So here, as you can see, this is my package. Okay, so you might be a little bit confusing with the package, or what is that, what the hell is going on. So this is nothing. Okay, nothing is going on. You just have to see this average. Okay, this average means it's just a folder, you can say. It is known as the package. Okay, means my program is this class avj is inside your average. That means inside this. Okay, so if even though if you want to import, you cannot import at the beginning. You have to first import, okay, or you have to first declare the package average, because you are inside this and your avg program is inside your average. Okay, now whatever you want to do, you can start it from the second line. So on the second line, as we are going to take the user input, we first have to write down the main statement, that is import java dot utility dot star and then semicolon. Okay, and then after this, our next step is we have to create some variables. T. Okay, I don't write so many things. Okay, it's just wastage of time. Just a b c d. Okay, and I think it is very important to just make it a habit of writing the meaningful identifiers, because when you make such high level programs, okay, like game programmings and all, or suppose you are going to make any kind of applications, at that time it used to have problem. Okay, it will arise some problem because a b c and d it's not that much identical. Okay, means it is not that much identical and you will be getting confused with your own program on this. Sometimes as we also would get confused, okay, with the programs when we make, because when we come and see the programs, we forget that for what purpose we have declared the variable, or for what purpose we have made those function and all. So I think it's good habit if you try to make a habit of giving a meaningful identifiers. Okay, so for this tutorial, let's just give a b c and d. Okay, now we have to make a scanner class. scanner variable over here. Okay, so scanner, in order to use the scanner, okay, scanner class, you have to first import the java.utility dot, okay, star, and after that you have to create a scanner variable as scanner scanner. Then let me write input input input. Okay, yes. So let me just write something over here. The okay. I think I have not told you. Okay, so I told you that we forget about some things sometime when we may work out with the more complex programs. So at the time you can just give comments like this. Okay, with double slash. Double slash means it will ignore. Okay, means you can give anywhere wherever you want. Like here also you can give double slash, write something. Okay, blah blah blah. It will not compile anything. Okay, and don't worry, you will not get any kind of errors also. And if you get any error, I am 24/7 available. You can call me up or mail me up on my mailing ID. Okay, or you can just tweet me, okay, in my profile, and then I will be catching you up. Now for writing the comments, okay, what I will be writing, okay, let's just write this program program is made by MIT and SAH. Okay, I hope clear everyone. And if you have any other doubts, okay, you can just call me up on this number. Okay, 0876806738. Okay, you can just give me up on this. And if you also want to learn about more about programming, you can also start doing classes with me. Okay, I also provide online classes through different types of mediums. Okay, it is very easy. You can learn in very easy steps. Okay, in very easy steps, in very short time you can learn programming. Nothing to do, you just have to have a high speed internet connection and a laptop, or no matter if you even have a desktop. Okay, you just need to have a webcam and all, and I will just be telling you, you just have to follow up some steps and all. Okay, okay, then let's get started with it. Scanner input is equal to new scanner. Okay, scanner. Here you just have to write system dot in. So I think now I don't have to tell you that what is the purpose of system.in. Okay, because in my last tutorials I have already explained about the system.in. So system.in means keyboard, and there this is the statement of creating a scanner variable. Then this is your identifier which you are going to use it, okay, to call up the scanner functions. Now we have to print up a message like system.in. Out dot sorry dot print, not b, sorry, this, enter the first number. Okay, now see what it will do is it will give a option, okay, for that. And let me just give n so that it will bring the cursor down. No, let's just omit it. Okay, now here, now as this statement will be printed as it is. Okay, so that we are writing this statement so that it can be identical to the user, that oh, I have to enter the number over here. So after that what it will do is, okay, we have to create, okay, bring the cursor down, and we have to write initialize the variable. Okay, so let me just initialize the variable. A is equal to input dot next integer int, and remember to give the I, okay, integers I in the capital. later. After that, nothing, empty parenthesis, close it. I hope clear, you understood. So our first variable take initialization, okay, and remember when you take the input from the user, that is known as your dynamic initialization. Okay, once again I repeat, it is known as your dynamic initialization. After our first initialization, dynamic initialization of our variable a, we have to get started with the variable b. Okay, enter the second number, and instead of a you just have to write b. Clear? Now after that our both numbers are ready. So what we just have to do is perform some calculations over the variable. Just write c is equal to a. Okay, so what is the formula of average? Do you know? Oh yeah, yes, I can hear you. All right. Yes, you're right. That is a, okay, multi product of quantity and divided by the number of quantities. Okay. So this into a into b, and then you just have to divide it. I think I'm doing a mistake over here. Addition of quantity divided by number of quantities. Okay, now see what it will do is it will just add the following and it will give you this. Next is we have to give here over this the, okay, output of the following as plus c. Okay, next our program is almost ready. We just have to run it from here, then click on ok. See, as it is asking number 1 10, enter the second number also 10. See what it is giving us the answer as 10 and 10. The second number, enter the second number again, it is giving. So yeah, we have some mistake over here, we have some exceptions over here, like second it should be, the answer is not enter the, okay, the answer is not this, it should be equal to, and yeah, we also have some mistake here, as you can see. Okay, now this one, it is dividing like this. Okay, so in order to handle this type of exceptions, you just have to be a little bit good in your arithmetic skills. Okay, so that you can identify and resolve your issue problems very nicely. I mean very easily you can resolve if you are good at math. Okay, and really if you want to get started with your programming, you really have to be good enough in your mathematics. Okay, now as you can see, our average is 10 in both the numbers. Oh, now see, because 10 and 10, now both the number is average will be 10 only na. So now if I enter, okay, some different amount, okay, different values if I enter, what will be happening now? See, if I enter 20 on one number, and the second value is I will be giving as 10. So what is the our average is 15. Why? Because two number will be plus. Okay, first two number will be added. After that, the both the number will be equally divided among the two variables. Okay, now see, you might be getting confused that, oh my god, then if we have more than one variables, okay, or more than two variables, if I want to find out the average of three numbers or five numbers, 10 numbers, what do I have to do, or I cannot do like that? No, you are totally wrong. You just have to copy this. Okay, and you just have to paste it again, and then you just have to write here instead of second, third, and at the third number instead of B you give it to D. Okay, as you see, we have already used C, so we cannot use the C. Now instead of this you just have to give one plus symbol, and instead of 2 as our, okay, this one variable is increased, so number of quantity is also 3. See, now our average will be of 3 numbers. Okay, into average. See, first number it will ask, I will give 100. Second number again it will ask, I will give 12. Third number it will ask, I will give 14. So what is our average? Average is 42. So if you might be having some doubt also that whether the answer is right or not. Yes, as we as a human being we also every time used to have such questions. Even myself also sometimes I really have confusion with it, that whether the answers are right or not, even though the answer comes right only. Okay, so let's just verify the answer, okay, or match it with the calculator. For that, let's just start a calculator. Okay, in the calculator let's do it. Okay, now as you can see, first number I have entered 10. Okay, 10, no, it's 100, it's 100 not 10. Okay, 100 plus 12, 1 and 2, plus it with 34. I guess I have entered 34. Okay, now divide equally by 3. The answer is, oh my, there is some mistake. Oh shit, there is a mistake in the addition only. 100 plus 12 plus again, that is not 34. Okay, that is 14. Now 126 divided by 3 quantity is 42, and as you can see here also 42. So okay, so our program is successfully completed, and I hope you like my video. Understood? Let me just show you the full codes over here. It is taking some extra gaps. Okay, I hope you understood the program very nicely, and I hope you also like my video. Okay, and I really hope that my this video will help you in learning. Okay, and be to become good in your programming skills. And thank you very much. Nothing to say more about this. Keep practicing with the codes, and if you want any kind of helps, I am there 24/7. And if you like my video, just give a comment, like, and subscribe, so that you can receive, okay, video and notifications. Okay, I regularly upload the videos about computer science. Okay, basically I used to upload in programming only because I really like doing programmings, and I really want to teach others also. And thank you very much. I don't want to extend my speech anymore, so have a nice day. Tata.